Hello, this video will teach you how to use badge making machine. First you open Adobe Photoshop on your PC. You have to edit the size like here. You have to make a circle design that fits your badge size or the round paper cutter size. Then print it out on any printer you have: LaserJet, inkjet. After that you cut it in vertical lines. Put every line in the round paper cutter. And you cut every circle by itself. The badge consists of three main parts. First, the cellophane. Second, the backside. Third, the front side. You put the metal part in the left front side mold. Then the printed paper and the cellophane paper. Press it without passing through the holes. Put the bottom part on the backside mold. Press it till passing through the holes. Finally, this is the result. Voila, you get your first badge now.